Namaskar. Do you know why most people forget about their inner child? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Do you know why most people forget about their inner child? Because most of them did not experience a good childhood. They don't have beautiful memories. And they think that if they hide their main feelings from the world, society, people, anyone, no one can know them and have expectations from them. Because unfortunately, they don't have the ability to say no to what don't serve them. When you have bad feelings about someone, about a situation, about something, say no. Don't say yes, say no. And in this way, they think they're taking care of themselves. They think wrong. Most of the children who have grown up now were abused as children, mental and physical abuse, in many cases of bad behavior that have deeply affected a person. Every time remembers her or his being, trembles, likes to forget completely, and that's why that person feels her or his surroundings with any subject that can distract them, because the person thinks that cannot cure this pain, sadness. If there is inner child, cannot protect that inner child, this affects the whole life of a person. When a person ignores their inner child, cannot trust anyone else. A person who has grown up, if a person does not find her or his inner child, if a person does not destroying the wall around herself or himself, if a person does not taking care of her or his inner voice, inner child, not pay attention to that inner child, cannot have a healthy relationship or friendship with anybody, like never. Every adult is the same child who just grew up, but the child inside is still the child. A happy and active inner child is necessary for an adult. Always remember, a happy and active inner child is necessary for an adult to heal. I hope one day, soon, when the inner child in all people will be healed. Really.